I'm Gaz. I oversee Penrhyn Bay girls football teams, ranging from under 7s up until under 16s. We've got 9 girls teams. We've over 170 girls playing at this time now. I would say we've had 8 or 9 girls represent Wales now, and are still representing Wales at various levels.
They're all marked up, they've all got your name on. Are they all Gaz's for you, yeah?
I was a very keen footballer myself. Wanted to make it professionally, went to Wrexham when they were Division 2 or 3, and I'd 3 good years there. Thought my time had come, played local football, and obviously we had 2 daughters. The little one, Mia and Sophie, started kicking the ball. And I thought, oh yeah, where'd you go? There's no girls football. Let's get something set up. So I started off a thing called Only Girls Allowed, just down the road, Craven Leisure Centre, for 4 to 7-year-olds or 4 to 8-year-olds. And from that first session, when we had 7 girls, it quickly rose to 20, went to 40, and then, we're here now 10 years on with 170 girls. So, yeah. Max, won't be long. Just going down to training now. Tonight we have 1 girls session on tonight, the under 12s, with the coach. And there's a goalkeeping coach down as well, so he's doing a mix of girls and boys as well. There's other sessions here tonight as well. There's a couple of boys sessions, so they're due to start at 5:30. So the coaches, I'd normally go down here about half an hour before, get everything set up, ready for the girls to arrive, ready for coaching. Last year, Sophie was lucky enough picked to go and play for Wales under 17s in Gothenburg, Sweden, and it was fantastic to see your child playing against the likes of France, Italy and Sweden. Yeah, it's, did I think that would happen when they were 6 years of age? No, most probably not. Immensely proud of them all.
I don't remember much of it, but I just remember loving it. Every time I could play football, I would, just loved it. Obviously, I used to play in the local team, and then that progressed to playing with Liverpool, and Liverpool was great. Some really good games that we had there, really good experiences. And then now back in North Regionals, it's really good there now as well. We're getting a lot more better as a team as it progresses. And then obviously Wales 17s, it's a great experience.
Left foot, where's your left foot? Left foot, left foot. Just your left foot. Just your left foot. Obviously, it's grown because we've had so many good coaches, volunteer coaches. A man that's been involved with the club from the beginning, who's our secretary, Gwyn Thomas. If it wasn't for him, a lot of this, it wouldn't happen. There's so much work behind the scenes he does, along with others.
I've known Gaz for years. I used to play football with him about 15 years ago at Llandudno, so I've known him a long time. But I've sort of recently started to get to know him again now. We haven't seen each other for a few years, but starting to get to know him again now well. So yeah, he's a good lad. Very good coach, very good coach. He's done a lot, especially for the girls in Wales, North Wales. He's been brilliant. I think it can only get bigger. I mean, I'm not sure how many teams there are at the moment, but especially after what's happened this year with the women winning the Euros. So now after watching that, I think it'll give him big confidence to start playing football, and it's only going to make the game bigger for the girls football.
Gaz and the gang here doing great stuff. You know, everyone talks to me about women's football, ladies football, girls football. The first person I say to is go and have work with Gareth Rawlings, because he'll know his stuff. He's done it at every level, hasn't he? So, and he loves it. That's the main thing. He absolutely loves it and what he's doing. You know, smile on his face every single day. The girls here loving what he's doing. You know, and the commitment, not just from Gaz, but from everyone at this club. You know, is phenomenal.
Oh, what a day. The family, we all went. Didn't know exactly, you know, I didn't know I'd won it. And then to get presented with it and then watch the game, it was in front of a Welsh international. And obviously then we had the meal and for the girls to meet Gareth Bale, Dan James, Hennessy, Ramsey. Oh, what a day, yeah. And they want to go, they'd like to do it all the time. That's what my wife said. Can we do this every week? So, yeah, very good. 30 seconds, get as many turns in as you can. You two keep swapping over, okay? Well done. Very good.
He's just really nice, he's kind, caring. He just puts it on our level and lets us build up till we can do better stuff.
He's a really good coach and he makes it really fun. Like we were doing over there before, he was telling us to do stuff and then stop and put it on our heads or something.
He just makes it really fun, you know, he never leaves people out. He's definitely made me feel as a better player and he's just, yeah, he's really fun.
I'm really proud of him, you know, he's played a really big part in where I am today, to be fair. Like, he's helping so many girls like get involved and it's just amazing how big the club's got now, really.
Little Penrhyn Bay, that's what I say, but it's true, isn't it? It's, you know, it's only a small little area. I think it's just the right people in the right places. That's all, you need those people, and then he'll kick on to greater things, I think.